Hi guys, today's video is all about writing a title and the description for your YouTube channel. Not only title and the description, you can write any content. I'll be providing you with some of the AI tools that would help you write the content. But before you write any content using these AI tools, I suggest you to know one thing, that is tone. Tone of your brand, tone of your product. Every brand will have their own tone to communicate, to express themselves. Okay, if I have to give an example, all the NGOs, trust or charity organizations, they use empathy tone. Why empathy tone? Because they always try to communicate, they always try to connect with people's emotions, feelings. Yeah, so every brand has their own tone. If you want to know the tone for your brand, if you can tell me, just comment down your product name or what do you do, I can help you get it done. Or if you want me to make a video on these tones for every product, tones for a brand, I would be happy to do that as well. Yeah, so let's see the AI tools now. Yeah guys, this is the first tool that I would like to show, Gravity Write. I'll give this links in the description. Just log into Gravity Write. This is free of cost. You can just log into Gravity Write, and on the left hand side you can see inside the YouTube section you have something called as YouTube title. Just give the titles, just give the keywords that you want in your title. Let's say tools for AI, tools for writing titles for videos, and just write, and it will give you the, yes, see, it will give you the title, and it will also suggest you what type of thumbnail you should keep. It will also give you the suggestion what kind of thumbnail you can keep. Okay, let's move forward. We have a second tool that is called as Copy.ai, one of the amazing tool which I personally use. You just need to log into Copy.ai on, and on the left hand side here inside tools you have something called as social media tools. Let me just come down here. You have something called as social media tools here. Inside social media tools you have tools for YouTube, YouTube description, and YouTube title. Just come here, and let's say I'm writing this one, traveling to Himachal Pradesh. Just click on create, and you will find titles for this as well. See, last but not least, we have something called as WordHero. This is one of my personal weapon to write in a proper tone. Let's say if I just have to write a caption for Instagram, caption for Instagram, caption for images. Let me just write a caption for Instagram. I wrote here. Let me write something like free courses from Haadi organization. If I write it in funny tone, guys, I told you tone matters a lot. If I write it in funny tone, if I just click on write, now you can see, get your learning on with Haadi org, free courses, gain knowledge, laugh at hilarious instructors along the way. See, this is some kind of funny, but as I told you, how Haadi, all the NGOs write it in empathy tone. See the content here. Same way, if I change the tone, you can see how much difference it makes. It makes really great difference if I just make change in the tone. See guys, yeah, level up your skills for free. Haadi organization's incredible tools. Don't miss out on Haadi. Don't miss out this amazing opportunity. Learn, grow. Yeah, you can see this somewhere connects. If you just read this will literally connect with your feelings. That's it for the day, guys. If you have anything that you want me to make video on, definitely do let me know. I'll try my best to do that. Thank you.